I'd just like to thank Josh as well for obviously putting up with her and taking her off my hands. It's been a while, yeah. But one thing is, he does put up with her quirks, and there are a lot of them. I like the Disney and the Formula One. He watches Formula One as well now with her. So he's worked it out, the happy wife, happy life bit as well.
wants to care for you always.
And to keep our love and friendship.
To keep our love and friendship.
As it is today.
As it is today.
I give you this ring.
As a symbol of my love.
As a symbol of my love.
And commitment to you.
And my commitment to you.
Now and always.
Now and always.
Joshua and Bethan, you have made the declarations prescribed by law and have made a solemn and binding contract with each other in the presence of your witnesses, family and friends. And so I'm absolutely delighted to confirm you are now husband and wife. Congratulations.
Bethan still looks amazing. I've got to make sure everyone knows that. She's the most beautiful bride in the world. I'm so glad I'm with her.
Yes, thank you.
She's the beautiful bride in the world.
Between them both, they've managed to build a one-of-a-kind little museum in Stone, Gloucestershire. Not Legoland, their home. Josh collects the Lego. Don't tell Dean, he doesn't steal it. He gets it from Smith's. And Beth expertly crafts them all together. Josh, you have found someone who makes you better, who makes you happy. And Bethan, you found someone who supports you and will probably keep buying you Lego forever. I wish you both a lifetime of laughter, happiness, and dodgy handwriting. Everyone please join their glasses and raise it to Mr. and Mrs. Baker.